Acting like a pendulum is synonymous to children that are raised by parents that are not emotionally mature. Not being emotionally matured as parents puts their children in a very difficult place. They do things without catching a niche for themselves. They try to please the Jones and the Joneses. They try to show off in the midst of their friends when it doesn't really make sense. Proving a point. Dancing to a music they don't know is playing the rhythm. Their mental health has been so damaged to an extent that they look into their lives, they look into the mirror of their future, they cannot make a decision that will help them to become who they want to be or who they are supposed to be. If you are a kind of a person that you want to impress people, everything you are doing is to reply a voice, is to impress somebody, and having done all that, you are still depressed. It shows that you were raised by parents that are not emotionally matured and they have messed your mind up in a terrible way. Help is available, you can heal. Thank you for listening.